Hey there, welcome to Node Expert. Today I will show you how to set up a KOII node step by step. It's super easy and I will keep it quick so you're up and running in no time. Let's get started. First, make sure to use the link in the description, which will give you instantly 5 KOII coins to start your very first task. When you click the link, it will prompt you this web page. Click on download now, and when the download is finished, open the file and go through the regular setup steps. When you open it, you will set up a 6-digit PIN to keep your node secure. Make sure to write down your secret phrases somewhere safe. You will need them if you ever wanted to recover your account. Write it in a piece of paper, put it in the drawer, write it on the wall. It's very important. Without it, you can't recover your account. Now this is the KOII node interface. The first very thing you need to do is to get some extra coins to run extra tasks. So you will get down to the bottom left corner and click on get some funds. Then go to the faucet. When you click it, you will go to this web page. Click on get some KOII. Here you will do very simple tasks in order to get extra coins, like binding your email address, connecting your Discord account. Just click in here and you will get some OFire coins. It's about like 5 OFire. Just click in here, and coming soon you can connect your Twitter and connect your Solana wallet. You can also connect your Ethereum, but I don't use Ethereum. After doing these tasks, just click on I'm done, then open my node. The next step we will talk more about the KOII interface, and we will explain it more in details. Here we have the rewards section. It shows to you the number of coins you have collected in the past, for example 11 minutes, 40 minutes collected coins in here. There will be a claim button here. You may click it and claim your coins. It might take some time, but yeah, you will get it soon. The total stake section, it shows the number of coins you have staked to run your running nodes. These tasks, I mean, to run your running tasks. The available balance is the amount of coins you have earned from running the tasks. So this is only a brief introduction for the left panel. One thing to make sure about is you have enough funds on staking key and KPL staking key. How did I get into this window? Just by clicking on the wallet icon. You will find it like this. Just click on this drop down arrow and you will get to this place. For example, if you want to send some funds to the staking key, just click on the staking key option, then copy the address. Get back to my node section, click on transfer funds, paste the address, and input the desired amount to be sent. Click on Send Tokens. It might take some time and it might fail from the first time. Just keep on repeating it until it's transferred. You could do the same, exactly the same, for the other option, the KPL staking key. Just click on it, then copy the address, go back to my node, click on transfer funds, paste the address and input the desired amount and click on send. So this is all what you need to know about KOII node setup process and running the tasks. If this helped you set up your KOII node, hit that like button, subscribe for more easy guides like this, and drop a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Catch you in the next one. Bye.